Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the environment is correct. Open the Facebook app, check for updates, and install them now. Then clear app cache and force stop the app to remove corrupt temp files. This prevents playback and upload hangs. Finally, inspect account and app permissions so the app can access camera, mic, and storage. Without those, Reels can fail. Once done, relaunch the app and navigate to Reels to start the repair sequence. You now rebuild the reel while isolating failure points. Record or export a low-resolution version and attempt an upload. This checks file size and encoding limits. If it still fails, toggle Wi-Fi versus mobile data to see if network routing causes the error. Make sure to disable VPN or proxy services because they often block streaming endpoints. Also close heavy background apps to free bandwidth and CPU. These steps you finish by forcing a full refresh. Log out of Facebook, uninstall and reinstall the app, then log back in. This forces new server tokens and often clears persistent reel errors. If the issue persists, file an app report immediately. Include timestamps, device model, OS version, and screenshots so support can reproduce it. For future stability, export reels with supported codecs and resolutions and keep the app updated. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail intermittently, test on a different device to isolate whether the account or device is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.